Are you migrating to Shopify from another e-commerce platform? Or do you need to take your existing Shopify store to the next level? WOTIO is here to help with a growing suite of tools to manage your Shopify store. WOTIO's account invitation tools can help your customers activate their accounts on your Shopify store. You can send many invites at once or put account invites on autopilot and control who receives them with many setting options. Account activation emails can be tracked with Email Tracker, which allows you to see how many times your emails were opened. In fact, WOTIO can track all Shopify transactional emails to help improve your open rates and email optimization. WOTIO can also generate thousands of bulk discount codes with custom prefixes and suffixes to use with your Shopify store promotions. A mobile-friendly simple pick list will show you all the items of your outstanding orders in one concise list, simplifying your order picking process. If you want to save time, activate more customers, and get more insights into how your store performs, WOTIO can help. Get started today by installing the WOTIO app in the Shopify App Store.